How much are you willing to pay for a Camaro? Not including crazy dealer markups. They're about to get a little more expensive. Let's talk about it. Welcome back to Lethal Garage. Today we got some Camaro news. I'm out here in the garage working on the 71. We got the Lethal Camaro out front. And look, we got our friend Maplefed back. He may appear in a future video. But today's news, for those of you out there who are looking to buy a Camaro, want to buy a Camaro, interested in ordering a new Camaro, basically, we have found out that GM is starting to cancel 2022 orders that aren't going to be built in time and basically forcing you to reorder a 2023. And the new 2023 models have a higher pricing structure. So now the base models start off 1LS 6-speed manual, which is basically the lowest rung kind of equipped car. After destination charge, which the destination charge has gone up over the years, it's $27,195. So now the cheapest Camaro you can get your hands on is $27,195, which is an $800 increase over the 2022 model year. Now, there's a lot of people already complaining that the Camaro is too expensive in comparison to Challenger and Mustang. GM doesn't care. Obviously, pricing or whatever cost of materials, I don't know what it is that's driving the cost difference, which is also awkward because GM's like the #3 most profitable company out there. Probably not from the Camaro side, mostly from trucks and SUVs. But if you look at the 1LS, it's basically the 1LS, the 1LT, the 2LT, and the 3LT are $800 more. The LT1, 1SS, and 2SS are $1,800 more. And the ZL1 variant is $3,700 more. Like, that's not a small chunk of change. $3,700 that you could buy a supercharger for that much money, at least on the used market anyways. But yeah, so from $800 to $3,700 price increase across the board. That's what's going on. As many of you guys know, the 2023 model year cars are going to be starting to roll off the line. I believe production is starting either at the end of this month or in July, and they're cutting off orders for the 2022. So if you can't find a car on the lot at the price from last year, and I know dealers are marking cars up like crazy, especially on the used side, you're basically going to be paying more money MSRP than you were last year this time around. So really sucks, especially if this is going to end up being the last year for Camaro. We don't know for sure. GM hasn't officially stated 2023 is the end or the last year for Camaro. Very well will be. Who knows? We just don't know. Unfortunately, it seems like every bit of sourced information is all wrong, never been right, and has made me look like a fool many times over the last 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 months. So that's where we're at. So you're paying more for a Camaro if you want one. Good luck getting one. Dealers don't have a lot of them because production of them are very rare. I'm starting to think the 2022 model year might be the most rare year for a lot of models of cars, especially the ZL1 1LE. I started seeing ZL1 1LE starting to get shipped and delivered, but I don't know how many are out there. So either or, thanks for checking out the content. Again, hit subscribe for more content. Until next time, guys, I'll see you on the road.